Okay, so I've made some veggie meat from scratch, and what I used was Vita wheat gluten flour and chickpea flour, nutritional yeast. That's for the mix to make the meat, and then I added this is really optional, walnuts and mushrooms that I chopped up, and I grinded some walnuts and mushrooms. Not too much because you're not trying to make a mushroom or walnut burger. Just a little, just for the texture. Because I wanted, sometimes when I make or other people make the Vita wheat gluten meat, it can be a little too compacted, and I'm used to the old-fashioned way, which is where you knead the flour and then you rinse it for hours, and that comes out much more fibrous, nicer texture. So I wanted to get that texture without all the work. And this is after you knead the flour, make it, turn it into like balls or like little burger form, and then you boil it with, or steam it with, soy sauce, garlic, onion. I have some parsley here. Normally you use celery and salt, right? And whatever seasonings you want to put, really. And you're gonna cook this down for like 30 minutes, 30 minutes. And this broth actually is the perfect chicken or beef stock, all vegan, right? And then now, once I did that, then I just sliced it up and I made it, it's kind of simple. I just stir fry some onion and garlic and some of my chopped up, pepper, cilantro, onion, tomato, parsley. I have that here. So I add a little bit of that and some crushed tomato paste. That's it. It's not tomato paste, or crushed tomato. So this is a simple. I don't eat rice, but this would go very well with rice, but I don't eat rice. I don't like rice. So I make my pasta with this, and that's it.